Hi everyone, welcome back to the world of Edurao Official. How good is your general knowledge about living things? Let's find out. Comments below. How many you got right? Only true genius will get 100%. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. The study of organisms inhabiting the sea and ocean and the physical and chemical characteristics of their environment is A. Social biology, B. Marine biology, C. Environmental biology, D. Freshwater biology. Correct answer is marine biology. Question 2. The branch of biology which deals with the use of data and techniques of engineering and technology concerning living organisms is A. Human biology, B. Environmental biology, C. Genetics, D. Biotechnology. You are right. Correct answer is biotechnology. Question 3. The branch in which organisms' life cycle, mode of transmission and interaction with their hosts are studied is A. Anatomy, B. Physiology, C. Parasitology, D. Social biology. You're absolutely on target. Correct answer is parasitology. Question 4. The molecules of living matter that provide building blocks are mostly based on A. Carbon, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, D. Ammonia. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is carbon. Question 5. Human blood is an example of A. Organelle, B. Tissues, C. Organic compound, D. Inorganic compounds. You've made a fantastic point. Correct answer is tissues. Question 6. With different chemical arrangements and formation of complex molecules, the life emerges on the level of A. Cells, B. Tissues, C. Organs, D. Organ system. Your observation is right on target. Correct answer is cells. Question 7. Organelles are A. Unicellular structures, B. Multicellular structures, C. Subcellular structures, D. Non-cellular structures. You're entirely on point. Correct answer is subcellular structures. Question 8. Functional unit of DNA is A. Nucleus. B. Genes. C. Chromosomes. D. Nucleolus. You've got it exactly right. Correct answer is genes. Question 9. Various tissue types combine to make up A. Cells. B. Organs. C. Organ system. D. Organelles. You've nailed it. Correct answer is organs. Question 10. Two or more populations of different species living and interacting in the same area form A. Biosphere. B. Community. C. Population system. D. Ecosystem. You've got it right. Correct answer is community. Question 11. A group of similar cells that perform a specific function is A. Organ. B. Tissues. C. Organelle. D. Organ system. Your assessment is spot on. Correct answer is tissues. Question 12. Which of the following is an example of molecule? A. Chloroplast. B. A nerve cell. C. DNA. D. Hydrogen. You're precisely right. Correct answer is DNA. Question 13. A group of very similar interbreeding organisms constitutes A. Biosphere. B. Ecosystem. C. Population. D. Species. That's perfectly correct. Correct answer is species. Question 14. Members of one species inhabiting the same area form A. Species. B. Community. C. Ecosystem. D. Population. You've made a fantastic point. Correct answer is population. Question 15. On the basis of collected facts and figures, a scientist formulates a factative statement called A. Observation. B. Research work. C. Hypothesis. D. Inductive reasoning. You're absolutely on target. Correct answer is hypothesis. Question 16. Robert Hooke discovered A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Cell, D. DNA. You're entirely on point. Correct answer is cell. Question 17. Steps involved in scientific method are A. Hypothesis, accumulated data, observation, experimentation, conclusion. B. New data, conclusion, accumulated data, observation, experimentation. C. Accumulated data, new data, observation, experimentation, hypothesis, conclusion. D. Accumulated data, hypothesis, observation, experimentation, new data, conclusion. Correct answer is accumulated data, hypothesis, observation, experimentation, new data. Question 18. Malaria is associated with A. Culex mosquito, B. Culeaster mosquito, C. Anopheles mosquito, D. Culex and Anopheles mosquito. You're entirely on point. Correct answer is Anopheles mosquito. Question 19. Biologist Grass discovered the life cycle of Plasmodium in A. 1896, B. 1897, C. 1898, D. 1899. You're exactly right in your assessment. Correct answer is 1898. Question 20. The first antibiotic to be discovered was A. Penicillin, B. Cephalosporin, C. Aminoglycosides, D. Erythromycin. Absolutely, you've nailed it. Correct answer is penicillin. Question 21. Immunization by vaccination was first introduced by A. Fleming in 1945, B. Florey in 1975, C. Chain in 1795, D. Edward Jenner in 1795. That's a valid and correct point. The correct answer is Edward Jenner in 1795. Question 22. The science of growing terrestrial plants in an aerated solution is A. Hydrodynamics, B. Hydroponics, C. Hydrotonics, D. All of them. That's exactly right. The correct answer is hydroponics. Question 23. An educated guess is called A. Accumulated data, B. Observation, C. Hypothesis. D. Conclusion. I agree, you're correct. The correct answer is hypothesis. Question 24. Dolly. The sheep was a highly successful clone from a somatic cell, reported back in A. 1993 B. 1994 C. 1995 D. 1996 You've hit the nail on the head. The correct answer is 1996. Question 25. Crop rotation helps in A. Growth of pathogens B. Soil infertility C. Slowing of crops growth D. Eradication of disease You've made a fantastic point. The correct answer is eradication of disease. Question 26. People living in high altitudes like mountains usually have A. Smaller number of red blood cells B. Larger number of red blood cells C. Smaller number of white blood cells D. Larger number of white blood cells. I appreciate your insight. The correct answer is larger number of red blood cells. Question 27. Which character differentiates living things from non-living organisms? A. They live in the same ecosystem. B. They are highly organized, complex and contain genetic material. C. They are acted upon by the same environment. D. Both A and B. You're completely accurate with that. The correct answer is, they are highly organized, complex and contain genetic material. Question 28. Which vitamin is needed for the formation of a light-sensitive pigment in the retina? A. Vitamin A B. Vitamin C C. Vitamin D D. B complex You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is vitamin A. Question 29. The average internal temperature of human body is A. 35 degrees Celsius B. 36 degrees Celsius C. 37 degrees Celsius D. 38 degrees Celsius You've hit the right one. The correct answer is 37 degrees Celsius. Question 30. The study of fossils is called A. Environmental biology B. Historical biology C. Paleontology D. Social biology You've got the right take on this. The correct answer is paleontology. Question 31. What percentage of the human body consists of water? A. 60%. B. 65%. C. 70%. D. 75%. You've identified it correctly. The correct answer is 70%. Question 32. The experiments on DNA molecules in chromosomes for knowing the basis of inherited diseases are conducted by A. Molecular biologists. B. Microbiologists. C. Freshwater biologists. D. Social biologist. That's a valid and correct point. The correct answer is molecular biologists. Question 33. On wound which cell fight with foreign particles, like bacteria. A. White blood cells. B. Red blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Your observation is right on target. The correct answer is white blood cells. Question 34. Synthetic insulin from pork was formed by which technique? A. Biotechnology. B. Social biological techniques. C. Parasitology. D. Both A and C. You've got the right take on this. The correct answer is biotechnology. Question 35. Blood is carried towards the heart by A. Arteries. B. Capillaries. C. Veins. D. All of them. You're right on all counts. The correct answer is veins. Question 36. The branch of biology which deals with the study of social behavior and communal life of human beings living in any environment is called A. Environmental biology. B. Social biology. C. Human biology. D. Both B and C. That's a valid and correct point. The correct answer is social biology. Question 37. Which of the following is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Water. D. Carbohydrates. I appreciate your insight. The correct answer is iron. Question 38. Out of 92 naturally occurring chemical elements, how many are considered as bioelements? A. 6. B. 16. C. 26. D. 15. You've identified it correctly. The correct answer is 16. Question 39. Which is needed as a source of energy for the vital activities of the body? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Water. D. Carbohydrates. You've got the right take on this. The correct answer is carbohydrates. Question 40. Oxygen accounts for what % of total's human body mass? A. 65%. B. 18%. C. 10%. D. 3%. That's the right call. The correct answer is 65%. Question 41. The atoms of different elements combine with each other through ionic or covalent bonding to produce compounds. This stable form is called A. An organ. B. A molecule. C. Tissue. D. Both A and C. That's right. You got it. The correct answer is a molecule. Question 42. Which one of them is a micromolecule? A. Polysaccharide. B. Protein. C. Hemoglobin. D. ATP. You're completely accurate with that. The correct answer is ATP. Question 43. A structure formed by groups of similar cells organized into loose sheets or bundles performing similar functions is called as A. An organ. B. An organism. C. A tissue. D. A cell. You've made a fantastic point. The correct answer is a tissue. Question 44. Hemodialysis means cleaning of A. Urine. B. Blood. C. Glomerular filtrate. D. Coalomic fluid. You're right on target. The correct answer is blood. Question 45. In animals, coordination is achieved by means of A. Nervous system. B. Endocrine system. C. Respiratory system. D. Both A and B. You've hit the nail on the head. The correct answer is both A and B. Question 46. Production of sweat and sebum is related with A. Skin, B. Liver, C. Lungs, D. Gastrointestinal tract. That's a valid and correct point. The correct answer is skin. Question 47. Group of living organisms of the same species living in the same place at the same time is called A. Community, B. Population, C. Ecosystem, D. Biome. I see it the same way, you're right. The correct answer is population. Question 48. The evaporative cooling in the respiratory tract of dogs is called A. Vasodilation, B. Vasoconstriction, C. Panting, D. All of these. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is panting. Question 49. Different species of plants and animals living in the same habitat is called A. Population, B. Community, C. Biome, D. Habitat. That's exactly right. The correct answer is community. Question 50. Which of the following pathogen type cause disease that can be treated with antibiotics? A. Bacteria, B. Fungi, C. Virus, D. All of them. You've identified it correctly. The correct answer is bacteria. Question 51. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is called A. Population, B. Community, C. Biome, D. Habitat. That's exactly right. The correct answer is biome. Question 52. Most cell membranes are composed principally of A. DNA and protein, B. Protein and lipids, C. Protein and chitin, D. Protein and RNA. You've identified it correctly. The correct answer is protein and lipids. Question 53. The concept that various organisms dominated this planet during various geological time period, and thus placing organisms in a time sequence, came from the studies by A. Environmental biologist, B. Paleontologist. C. Marine biologist. D. Social biologist. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is paleontologist. Question 54. Normally, in the process of osmosis, the net flow of water molecules into or out of the cell depends upon differences in A. Concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. B. Concentration of enzymes on either side of the cell membrane. C. Rate of molecular motion on either side of the cell membrane. D. All of them. I agree, you're correct. Correct answer is concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. Question 55. It is possible to date the rocks by comparing the amount of specific radioactive isotopes they contain. Which of the statement is correct in this respect? A. Older sediment layers have equal amount as that of the young ones. B. Older sediment layers have less amount as that of the young ones. C. Older sediment layers have greater amount that of the young ones. D. Older sediment layers did not have these radioactive isotopes. Correct answer is older sediment layers have less amount as that of the young ones. Question 56. Sodium ions are pumped from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration in the nerve cells of humans. This process is an example of A. Diffusion. B. Passive transport. C. Osmosis. D. Active transport. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is active transport. Question 57. An unbroken series of species arranged in ancestors to descendant sequence with each later species having evolved from one that immediately preceded it is called A. Biome. B. Phyletic lineage. C. Community. D. Population. That's exactly right. The correct answer is phyletic lineage. Question 58. Proteins are made from amino acids by the process of A. Hydrolysis. B. Pinocytosis. C. Dehydration synthesis. D. Active transport. That's exactly right. The correct answer is pinocytosis. Question 59. Biological sciences have a set methodology, and it is based on A. Experimental inquiry. B. Aesthetic preference. C. Philosophical ideas. D. Imaginations. You've hit the right spot. The correct answer is experimental inquiry. Question 60. Which is an organic compound found in most cells? A. Water. B. Glucose. C. Oxygen. D. Sodium chloride. I agree, you're correct. The correct answer is water. Question 61. A series of hypotheses supported by the results of many tests is called A. Scientific law. B. Theory. C. Data. D. Deduction. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is theory. Question 62. Which are the 4 most abundant elements in living cells? A. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. B. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. C. Carbon, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. D. Carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, magnesium. Correct answer is carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. Question 63. Which one is not correct for a productive theory? A. It is predictive. B. It has explanatory power. C. It discourages suggestion of different hypotheses. D. All of them. You are right. Correct answer is it discourages suggestion of different hypotheses. Question 64. Conclusion of Mendel's work. Latter became A. Scientific hypothesis. B. Theory. C. Scientific law. D. Productive theory. You're absolutely correct. The correct answer is scientific law. Question 65. Starch is converted into maltose by A. Diastase. B. Invertase. C. Maltase. D. Amylase. You've got it right. The correct answer is diastase. Question 66. Breeders have developed new and better varieties of food items by using which technique? A. Pasteurization. B. Hydroponic culture technique. C. Genetic engineering. D. Biological control techniques. That's exactly right. The correct answer is genetic engineering. Question 67. Co-enzyme is often formed from A. Lipid. B. Protein. C. Inorganic ion. D. Vitamin. You're correct. Correct answer is vitamin. Question 68. Messenger RNA is formed in A. Nucleus, B. Chloroplast, C. Mitochondria, D. Ribosomes. I agree, you're correct. The correct answer is nucleus. Question 69. Astronauts may use which technique to grow fruits and vegetables? A. Tissue culture techniques, B. Cloning, C. Pasteurization, D. Hydroponic culture technique. You've hit the nail on the head. Correct answer is hydroponic culture technique. Question 70. Number of chromosomes in E. coli. A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 6. You're precisely right. Correct answer is 1. Question 71. Which statement is incorrect for pasteurization? A. It is used to preserve yogurt and milk. B. It was developed by Louis Pasteur. C. It involves heating the substance at high temperature for just a few seconds. D. It can be used to preserve vegetables and meat. Correct answer is, it is used to preserve yogurt and milk. Question 72. Protein factory is A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Golgi complex, D. Centriole. You're absolutely correct. Correct answer is ribosome. Question 73. What is the mode of transmission of hepatitis virus? A. Aerosol, B. Parenteral via blood, C. Skin penetration, D. Unknown. You've got it right on the mark. Correct answer is parenteral via blood. Question 74. Smallest disease-causing agents in plants are A. Virion, B. Mycoplasma, C. Viroids, D. Prions. Absolutely, you've nailed it. Correct answer is viroids. Question 75. Which disease can be controlled by vaccination? A. Measles, B. Cancer, C. Diabetes, D. Heart attack. Precisely right. Correct answer is measles. Question 76. The major cell infected by the HIV is lymphocyte. A. Helper T. B. B cell. C. Both T and B. D. All of them. You've got it right on the mark. Correct answer is helper T. Question 77. Vaccine was first developed by A. Louis Pasteur. B. Edward Jenner. C. Jaber ibn Hayyan. D. Aristotle. You're right on all counts. Correct answer is Edward Jenner. Question 78. Pigment present in red algae is A. Fucoxanthin. B. Phycocyanin. C. Phycoerythrin. D. Bilirubin. Absolutely, you've nailed it. Correct answer is phycoerythrin. Question 79. Which disease has been totally eradicated from the world because of effective vaccination? A. Measles. B. Polio. C. Smallpox. D. Hepatitis. Absolutely, you've nailed it. Correct answer is smallpox. Question 80. Nutrition in fungi is A. Photosynthetic. B. Chemosynthetic. C. Completely parasitic. D. Absorptive heterotrophs. You're completely right. Correct answer is absorptive heterotrophs. Question 81. Which of the following statement is incorrect about antibiotics? A. They are used against microorganisms. B. They are always effective against bacteria. C. They are used in diseases like tuberculosis and pneumonia. D. They are derived from bacteria only. Correct answer is they are derived from bacteria only. Question 82. Fungi resemble plants because they lack A. Cell wall. B. Cytoplasm. C. Centriole. D. Nucleus. You've got it exactly right. Correct answer is centriole. Question 83. Which treatment is instituted in a cancerous patient? A. Antibiotic therapy. B. Radiotherapy. C. Gene therapy. D. All of these. I appreciate your insight. Correct answer is radiotherapy. Question 84. Which is a parasitic plant? A. Cuscuta. B. Rose. C. Ferns. D. Mosses. You're exactly right. Great observation. Correct answer is Cuscuta. Question 85. Which statement is incorrect for cloning? A. The nucleus of a fertilized egg is replaced by the nucleus of a fully developed individual. B. Division of a single egg into one or more embryos. C. The individual is the mirror image of the parent organism. D. It involves methods of sexual reproduction. Correct answer is it involves methods of sexual reproduction. Question 86. True roots absent in A. Ferns. B. Bryophytes. C. Gymnosperms. D. Angiosperms. You've made a fantastic point. Correct answer is bryophytes. Question 87. Removal or degradation of environmental pollutants or toxic materials by living organisms is called A. Integrated disease management. B. Hydroponic culture technique. C. Pasteurization. D. Bioremediation. You're right on target. Correct answer is bioremediation. Question 88. The mechanism for a TP synthesis is A. Chemosynthesis. B. Photosynthesis. C. Phosphorylation. D. Chemiosmosis. You're entirely accurate. Correct answer is chemiosmosis. Question 89. Which of the following is not a viral disease? A. Cowpox. B. Mumps. C. Tetanus. D. Smallpox. You're absolutely right about that. Correct answer is tetanus. Question 90. Enzyme present in the saliva is A. Lipase. B. Trypsin. C. Pyrrolin. D. Invertase. You've got it exactly right. Correct answer is pyrrolin. Question 91. In human body, 99% of total mass is formed of A. 16 bioelements, B. 12 bioelements, C. 1 bioelement, D. 6 bioelements. That's perfectly correct. Correct answer is 6 bioelements. Question 92. Nitrogen is present in A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Lipids, D. Carbonates. Your assessment is spot on. Correct answer is proteins. Question 93. Biological organization is A. Simple, B. Advance, C. Complex, D. Highly complex. You've nailed it. Correct answer is highly complex. Question 94. Operculum is present in A. Bony fish, B. Sea fish, C. Cartilaginous fish, D. All of these. You've got it down pat. Correct answer is bony fish. Question 95. The arrangement speaks of the division of labor within cell. A. Molecule, B. Subatomic particles, C. Atoms, D. Organelles. I agree. You've got it right. Correct answer is organelles. Question 96. In which animal respiratory surface are found in more than one organ? A. Birds, B. Human, C. Fish, D. Frog. You're absolutely correct. Correct answer is frog. Question 97. Communities are collection of organisms. A. Static, B. Dynamic, C. Maybe static or dynamic, D. All of these. That's just what I was thinking. Correct answer is dynamic. Question 98. The heart is enclosed in a membrane called A. Pleura, B. Pericardium, C. Peritoneum, D. Epithelium. You're absolutely on target. Correct answer is pericardium. Question 99. The number of species of organisms currently known to science is A. 3,500,000, B. 35,000, C. 2,500,000, D. 250,000. You've hit the right one. Correct answer is 2,500,000. Question 100. From right ventricle blood is pushed into A. Pulmonary trunk, B. Brain, C. Aorta, D. Body. You're exactly on point. Correct answer is pulmonary trunk.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.